Welcome to growing your own food in your own backyard. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the like button. I want to share with you a raised bed where I'm growing my kale and my cool season crops, and it's time to harvest my kale. So this is a really beautiful raised bed that I have up against my house. It gets shade all the time with just a little bit of morning sun, and it allows me to have greens throughout the summer. So right now I want to go ahead and start harvesting this kale. These are red Russian kale, which I started from seeds, and I do want the kale to grow back, so I'm just going to harvest the larger leaves. And it allows me to continue again having my kale and my greens throughout the entire summer months and not just in the spring. So this raised bed acts as an excellent supplement to have greens through the entire summer season. So I have just got through harvesting my kale. I'm growing onions, green onions, and so I can go ahead and harvest those green onions. I'm also growing kale here, a different type of kale. So, as you can see, my raised bed in the shade on my patio, very little morning sun, all shade, has allowed me to grow greens all summer long. And again, it is part of the brassica family, where you will have to deal with pests and worms and caterpillars. And so to prevent that problem, I keep a screen over it. So this is my third harvest, and I'm really excited about sharing with you my success in growing spring, cool season crops in the middle of the summer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button.